So I'm getting a built-in thunderstorm tonight. Now I don't have to play it on the radio. All the puppies are like, what the heck? What is that? What is that? Ah. And hail. Holy moly. This is awesome. The puppies are getting all kinds of noise tonight. It's good. Mother Nature is helping us out. You're like, what's that? What's that noise? Come here, puppies. What's that noise? What is that? Poor Jukka puppies. Poor Jukka puppies. It's like perfect timing for this. Right at the right age that you want them to start hearing thunderstorms. We'll have to do the fireworks on the phone, but at least they get to hear one thunderstorm. And it's all okay. The sky is not falling. Well, it's falling outside, but not in here. Good puppies. Good puppies. Puppies. Come here, puppies. Come here. Come here, puppies. Come here. Puppies. Puppies. I'm just trying to get them to not sleep on the pee pads. It bugs me. I don't know why, but... So far, so good. Little red girl is like, whatever. That little orange one is just like not having it. I don't know if she's really wanting mom or if she's scared. I don't know. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. So pretty good. The only one that really seems to be having a reaction is the orange one. It's the orange girl. But these days I don't know if it's because they want mom or they're upset. So who knows?